Hello and welcome again guys to the online series of learning IELTS with MS Education. I'm Disha Patel and in today's lesson we will be learning about matching the information to the paragraph's question type in the IELTS Reading Module test. Now this particular question type is really quite similar to the matching the heading question in the IELTS Reading Module test, but it differs with a slight variant. So let us begin with today's lessons. In today's IELTS reading module, we will be focusing on matching information to the paragraph question type. In this question, you will be asked to match the information that is given in the sentence form with the paragraphs. In this video, we will be focusing on skills that are required to solve this question type, what are the common problems that are faced while solving this question type, the tips and the strategies with the example we will be solving. Now here, make a note that the paragraphs in the reading text are labeled A, B, C and so on. Your answer will be the letter of the paragraph and not the words or phrases that are given in the question. Now moving forward, let us look at the skills that are required to solve this question type. Firstly, scheming the text paragraph and getting the general idea or the meaning of the paragraphs. Then, scanning for specific words that are known as the keywords from within the paragraphs. Lastly, carefully rereading the text to understand it better. Now, let us look at what are the common problems in this particular question type. Firstly, answer could be anywhere in the text paragraphs, so answers are not given in a sequence. Second, answer might not be the main idea of the paragraph. Third, lots of irrelevant information will be given to you, so be very subtle in reading it. Not all paragraphs contain the answers. Some paragraphs may be misleading. Now let us look at the tips and the strategies for this question type. Firstly, we'll go with tips. Firstly, now do this question last, as doing this would be a smarter choice. The other questions first might help you to get familiarized with the passage. Try to find the names, numbers, etc. first, then try going for solving it further. Be aware of synonyms such as beautiful, not beautiful and all. Strategies of this question type will be reading the instructions first very carefully to know how to solve this question perfectly. Then read the question and think about the possible synonyms and the paraphrasing of this particular statement. Quickly skim and scan the reading text passages that are given in your test sheets to try to understand and get the general meaning of the text passage with regards to the question sentence. Read the question statements again and try predicting which paragraph contains the possible correct answer. Scan the text paragraphs you think that might contain the probable answers to the synonyms you have got. Always underline the key factors and words or answers you get that might help you to get the correct answers. Check back with the question statement and mark the answers if correct. If not, then move on to other paragraphs and rethink about where you might have gone wrong and correct it. Now let us solve the example. Now let us move on and discuss the answers. I hope that you have solved all the questions with according to the tips and tactics that I have given. 14th answer is C. Option number C. 15th answer is option F. 16th answer is option E. 17th answer is option H. And 18th answer is option A. And the final answer, 19th answer, is option D. I hope that you have got all your answers to the point correct. With this, we come to an end of this video lecture. I hope that you have understood all the tips and tactics and the strategies that we have solved. Thank you so much for being kind listeners.